Give yourselves a round of applause, y'all. Miss Eunice Bullock, Miss Eunice Daniels, we love you. Aunt Sue in the house. Where you at, Aunt Sue? We see you, baby.
Yeah, we
see you. We see you. Now listen, we know y'all was out there waiting for a while, right?